What are you doing? Good morning. Hi. Oh, you're eating off of that thing. And there's popcorn. Gnawing on that thing. You should not be gnawing on that. That's it. I think I have to get another one. They're not supposed to be chewing on that. I don't know, but there's a lot of toys that they are material and supposedly they're supposed to chew on it. And I don't get it because there's a lot of material and strings that come out of it, and I mean, won't they swallow it and then be stuck in their stomach? I don't know. Maybe I'm paranoid, but I have to get another natural perch so they can chew on it because they won't stop. This one they started chewing on for some reason, and they will not stop. But I see a lot of toys on Amazon that are material that hang, and supposedly you're supposed to let them chew on it. And this is why I got this, so they can go at that. I don't know. This is the first time I had birds, like as an adult, because I had one when I was younger, but I really didn't remember that time period. But now as a grown adult, I do a lot of research, and I don't know, I don't think they should be chewing on materials. I don't know, because I feel like they swallow it. Hi, baby. Yeah, you're on Candy Camera. Good morning. Happy Sunday. Yeah. You're up early. I put them to sleep at 9 every night. But today, you're up and happy. Yeah. Okay, guys. That was my venting for Sunday morning. Oh yeah, it's 9 o'clock. I set my alarm for 9, so I got up before the alarm went off. But these little ones were up. They've been up for like an hour. Yeah, usually when I go to work, I wake them up at 6:30, and then I leave at around 7:40. No, be nice. Nice sisters. Your sisters are supposed to love each other. Yeah. Oh, they got whiter with the video. My phone's weird. Okay, babies. Tell everybody happy Sunday. Enjoy their day. Kiss. Give your sister kisses. Come on. No? Come on. That's Angel right there, and popcorn's on the side. Kisses. No Sunday kiss? No? Okay. Alright, well, everybody enjoy your day. It's going to be for like 40 degrees today. Yay! No snow. I think I'm traumatized from the other night. Okay. Bye.